Hello everyone, welcome to the Good Cooking Ideas channel. Today I'm going to make purple yam soup with shrimp. This dish is originally from Vietnam. I love it so much and can't wait sharing with you guys. Please subscribe and turn on the notification button. You will receive more updates. If you like this video or feel it helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and leave your comments down below of the video. Let's take a look at the ingredients. Press 3 cloves of garlic, defrost the grated purple yam. You surely can use the cooked fresh purple yam. Now let's peel and devein the shrimp. Cut the shrimp at the midline. Press a little bit to remove the tail. Remove the vein. Tenderize the shrimp with a tenderizer. I know somebody likes to chop the shrimp, but personally I prefer to taste more texture. Add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Add 1 tablespoon of white pepper powder. Marinate it about 10 minutes. Heat the pan and add canola oil. Butter is fine if you like. Add minced garlic into the oil. Stir fry until it turns golden brown. Add the shrimp. Stir fry 1 minute. Add 1½ cup of chicken broth. One and a half cup of clear water. Cover the lid. Let it cook 2 minutes. Add a grated yam and let it cook till boil. Skim the foam on the top. Add another teaspoon of white pepper powder. Stir well. Now it's ready. I like to place the chunks of shrimp on the top. Serve with mint or chopped Ngo Gai. You may also add a little peanuts on the top. If you like shrimp or the flavor of white pepper, try this out and let me know how it turns out. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you the next time.